Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. We have three major stories coming out of South Sudan and the region. First, we'll look at heavy fighting in Unity State. The opposition group say dozens of government soldiers were killed in Gwit County. Second, we'll talk about President Salva Kiir Mayardit has traveled to Ethiopia for important African Union summit. And third, the Minister of Foreign Affairs is asking for a huge increase in its budget, saying embassies are struggling to survive. These are serious developments, so stay with us as we break everything down. Before we start with these latest updates, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Let's begin our report with heavy fighting in Gwit County. Opposition claim major losses. Serious fighting has been reported in Ladjor Payam, located in Gwit County of Unity State. According to the opposition group known as the Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition, SPLIO, at least 8 senior government officers from SSPDF were killed during clashes on Wednesday morning. On the other side is the government army, the South Sudan People Defense Forces. Now, both sides agree that fighting happened, but they disagree on how it started and how many people died. Let's break this down clearly. What happened? The fighting reportedly started early Wednesday morning in a flooded area called Ladjor. Flooding has made this region very difficult to access. Roads are damaged, movement is slow. This also makes it hard to independently verify information. The opposition spokesperson said government forces traveled from Bentiu using around 30 small boats to attack their position. They say their fighter pushed back the attack. But here is where the story becomes more serious. The opposition claimed that 49 government soldiers, SSPDF, were killed. Among them, they say 8 were senior officers. They named several commanders who they say died during the battle. They also claim that 37 wounded soldiers later reached Bentiu Hospital for treatment. In addition, the opposition said they captured 1 soldier alive and seized weapons, including rocket launcher and machine guns. However, government officials in the area have not confirmed these numbers. The Gwit County Commissioner confirmed that fighting happened, but he said he could not verify the number of casualties because of the flooding and lack of access. So at this moment, casualty figure remain claimed from one side. So why is this important? Unity State has seen tension before. Even though South Sudan signed a peace agreement in 2018, known as the Revitalized Peace Agreement, army groups are still supposed to unify into one national army. But incidents like this show that trust is still fragile. When fighting continue between forces that are supposed to be part of one unified force or one unified system, it raises serious concern. Are peace efforts working? Well, our commander on the ground following national agreements? These are important questions. Here is the bigger picture. The acting chief of staff of the opposition headquarters congratulated their force, the SPLA-IO force, for what it described as a successful defense. However, whenever there is a loss of life, especially among officers, it can increase tension. Retaliation is always a risk, and civilian in flooded area or flooded affected areas are often the one who suffer most. Many people in United States are already struggling with displacement, food shortage, and flooding. And more fighting makes life even harder. So what happened next? Right now we wait for official government confirmation, independent verification, and possible call for calm from national leaders. We also watch to see whether this incident leads to more clashes or whether leaders step in quickly to reduce tension. Peace processes do not fail in big conferences. They fail when small local fighting continues without control. We'll keep following this story closely. Our next report is President Salva Kiir Mayardit traveled to Ethiopia for AU Summit, Africa Union Summit. Now let's move to diplomacy. South Sudan President Salva Kiir Mayardit left Juba on Friday to travel to Addis Ababa in Ethiopia. He is attending the 39th ordinary session of the Assembly of the African Union. Well, this meeting brings together leaders from across Africa. What is this summit about? This year focuses on sustainable water management and sanitation under Africa long-term development plan agenda for year 2063. Water may sound simple, but in Africa, water is security, health, agriculture, and climate survival. For South Sudan especially, water management is critical. Flooding has damaged communities. At the same time, clean drinking water remains a challenge in many areas. So, this summit connects directly to national concern, especially meeting the C5. On the sideline of the summit, President Salva Kiir Mayardit is expected to attend a special meeting of the C5 group. This group includes 5 African countries: South Africa, Algeria, Chad, Nigeria, and Rwanda. The C5 countries act as grantor of South Sudan peace agreement. This means they monitor and support implementation of the 2018 peace deal, which already collapsed. This meeting is expected to discuss security situation in South Sudan, political tension in South Sudan, and preparation for future election in South Sudan. South Sudan has never held national elections since independence, so preparation for election are a major topic. So why this trip matter? When a president travels for regional meeting, it signals diplomatic engagement, but it also comes at a sensitive time, especially with report of fighting in United States and in Jonglei area in Upper Nile across the South Sudan. Regional partners will likely ask questions. They will want reassurance that peace implementation continue. So this trip is not just symbolic, it is politically important. Let's move on with our third top story. Foreign Minister requests massive budget increase. The Minister of Foreign Affairs is asking Parliament to approve a much larger budget for the upcoming fiscal year. Currently, the Minister received about 55 billion South Sudanese pound, but for 2025 to 2026, they are requesting about 259 billion South Sudanese pound. That is nearly 5 times more. Why are they asking for more? According to minister officials, embassies abroad are struggling. Problems include unpaid salaries, rent arrears, operating expenses, equipment shortages. The minister said the approved budget does not match the real cost of running diplomatic mission. In fact, even though only 55 billion South Sudanese pound was approved last year, actual spending reportedly reached over 240 billion South Sudanese pound. That is a huge gap. This shows that either planning was unrealistic or emergency spending was necessary. Most of the proposed budget, over 250 billion South Sudanese pound, would go to salaries and wages. A large part of that is incentive and overtime payment. There are also allocations for goods and service, vehicle and equipment, and special diplomatic activities. The minister also reported that about 35% of positions remain vacant. This means staffing shortages. Some departments are operating at a half capacity. Well, why this matter? Diplomacy is expensive. Embassies represent the country abroad. They handle visas, trade relations, security cooperations, and international agreements. If embassies cannot pay rent or staff the country, international image can suffer. But at the same time, the national economy faces challenges. So lawmakers must balance priorities. Should more funds go to foreign mission, or should domestic service receive more focus? This will be debated in Parliament. Approval has not yet been granted. Jawame agenda and the gore nywa yekel. One ka mende kon linga tung nente nas ban ra chekelere yo diok no katin kon lat korodian kan kono ni am gwas me gore jeno de ran mi jiram jidit de subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel ko mete ka report mi chibre keller be shamala shubekaji ati kon keller dang jok te bi kon kalin gwas me man yam ba raitin ban ra chika kwi ko dana chito ka unit state rawde ban ra ka we President Salva Kiir yadit wada ka Ethiopia gwadul ka mitachol Africa Union summit malat kerewi ka Ethiopia banjeling na mo men joga banling la diodien Ministry of Foreign Affairs chika take yo to dekan na loka ka set ka salaries ni ka embassy ni tin kon interview mon la embassy ni ning South Sudan ka kon baling gwasme bana kala de joy ka dobra ande kon galinga. Chana right ke report nyam kuri de chitore which ka gwit county ka United State chala do cheneting one chekanak chala do ne na kur chetwok dar shal ke kur la jor payam ka gwit county ka United State ka jom chala gwasame shi opposition group la kume SPLIO fin first by President Dr. Charting chikala do ne chicken senior government officer ne dang badak shiken kanak kajan koromo kana shike officer ke senior officer ka kuma SSPDF shiken kanak gwa kurdan ji to ka shanka dioka jok ka Wednesday kan kuma man la SSPDF tel michigan latin ne me duno shi kuma SPLA ayo kala do ne kana man ne dialen contin shiken kanak jan ngoni de bangwan duno kan kuma can verified exactly and a pig minicited ni ke chili ore ko dan chito dundo shala de ne content binami akene yes kurche to kala de ni SSPD ko la ko miten binami akene kurche to kala talk but gwadan terka koten gwan metika piu so tele information mishana verified long na bane de kon lar ke je chane jenwan bongon chagane ke de ni SPLIO ten chawe mark ka jomi kala do ne kidina SSPDF chigi jian kariat la retin tienen kon la kanu kariat to char la zede ke boni ke ken boni jendang jok ki kanu di jendang jok chiken welo ken kuma SPLIO ken jan mat gene kene jen gwadan u kurwe toktin cha government sodi ti chok jen wan bangwan cha ganna kare kurmo anyo keri pon wi ken nyolat boni mi chiken confirm and wona na ka bentio hospital cha dini chok jendang jod baro cha ganang tin te ka boredit ere ko dana ci to kan dini te jendang de baro de ti ke dini konin ci len wada dan ci korje tokten wa cha ga nang dwelwal ka kor kam ci korje tok cha jo mo cha jala de ken no ko kum meten wana mo ci kala no tele ka ngach murong ka ping ne ko ni tet ne no you can confirm no korje tok county good county commissioner she confirm no reg mo ci tok la tok no ken lada no exactly ping mutede ci tet ne no ne bar ke report dan chalat kum es filayo kan shi ga de ni te cho jen wan bang wan ci ken nak ano ka senior officer din chana kane dang badak ka de ne assess pdf kwi de ne kane ne dang roki ne dang jok ci gelu kan de ne spela yo ka jibon te tot ne men chala da ken wanda ka report da dien president Salva Kiir ma yadi chewe ka Ethiopia ke kwi Africa Union Summit ci president Salva Kiir ma yadi chewe gwadul ka ga jom chala gwa seme South Sudan president Salva Kiir ma yadi chewe ka jian ka juba ka jan Friday walle chewe ka Addis Ababa ki Ethiopia gwadul ka mandol ka andola mo awajen dola jandang diod bangwan dien ano malalat ke karwon tala do ne assemble na mo lerji Africa Union kan wo chol kan cordial ano buko raji winimi bana men ponin konlat ka gwad bana ka lingan dola mo wa dola ngu ki ngu wa dol ka je raywech ka Addis Ababa andola mo man wa dol ka Addis Ababa ke report shanon gwad melin kona me chala do ne a kwi security ka kwi pola point kan kwi agriculture ka kwi climate survival una right ka kwi pin ko pure Carodian ke de ka leledi wana mo mi kana wala dan birimi anyok awa bi Salva Kiir ma yadi bo to gwadul kam ba dol mi chala C5 mo C5 group bondang di ti chamat gwas ke chala C5 bon ke C5 group kan bono to ti Africa countries neti chop ka die ke bakal tigeten South Africa, Algeria, Chad, Nigeria, Rwanda, kanang di. Awajan gwadana bird ko writing ka kwi 2018 peace agreement ko do badan en si peace agreement che je ka je ko ntama South Sudan ti re kormi di chala do ne are dol kana mo wabu go right ka kwi secure situation kwi political tension ka kwi ko de election de jela di re week South Sudan ko South Sudan me ko independent ko jelat kana mente ka election ke ko queen kware so chala do ne bu ko right na wana money and gwada danu na right ten minyu no de the president Salva Kiir ma yadi bajo pressure ere dul kan mon bajo no jin lon first by president Dr. Machate ka wiare malka ko ntema country woni jere kur no na ngai kondi almo walat nyen do danu wege jewu ni mi ko che tel shabdien country tere ko right now tel gwa magwa ka jongle tel magwa ka panal tel magwa ka yunde state tel magwa gwadial ka Western Equatoria Eastern Equatoria korte tin wan mokelo kwala gorno nena de Salva Kiir yadi dara mal dara je nyok milat je godda kama nyam dara lat ken nyam o dara Dr. Machate dara je konluñ cha jo mo cha jalat ko de South Sudan dara te kaman wanne ka report do dien minister request che budget che request Ramadan la foreign minister la foreign affair ka parliament che rajeno nena jenne gor ko no de yode kare ka jen physical year and be a chikala do nena kana shi ka yuri shop ka 55 billion South Sudanese pound chicken ka received ka karunte payo bada kana nena ka ronkin dangro jandang re de je ka ronkin dangro jandang bakale me kana shi ka yuri shop ka 259 billion South Sudanese pound chicken ka request do de kam ka la mi nyono chere mi lenkan pegan ya me dan chicken jek kaman jagulat gwasame a yuri can request a yuri corner de way your pin a what can pay salary stay yuri can your pin so gorga jano de yuri to de ko kam jiken no anyok te dul te kan you can your pin chit ke embassy can other thing nying torbiele win diale ko ken tinte embassy na nying South Sudan ticketing to talk and yuri kon tilat kenka but kame chalat gwasme gwade dan h 55 billion South Sudanese pound cha your pin tin ko by embassy na diala across the country ba ga your pin ala yodi ala kona la gore ke invest in chit kala chit ngoni di ala wa yodi 55 billion South Sudanese pound ken karong wa chi ken nyoko den ke yuri chop ke 240 billion South Sudanese pound mi ma wati yu gapteten 55 chelo pelo o chele la 240 billion South Sudanese pound to gore ka ka to kwa demand ke ti chicken ko den maybe ka tin kon let ken ka so di ala ti ke gore ken ka ken gore ken budget me more than 240 billion South Sudanese kan titialti gorkan ka budget ngai kono South Sudan chuje tele gwam yor ke salary pinga je ni ne kon la tele mi jekana aka right now they are requesting a lot of money ka ku invest ni impon invest ni den kontimin ko ke na wala dia ga ka ni ke ko tele yoto kam karar kan ko ndi ale invest ja le go ba invest la le ko yo tiketen but you the country ko so Sudan ke corruption man na to cha ga ngar no la chin wan dikan lo godien ka budget de malaria ka ba organize ka ba plan ano ron me ga yuri to bu ba la done ke bole ti di alla karel ke ko mo dag yukuna shiat ne de konti la la de staff sha bulon ko mo ken ge yo and then ba jojo gwano sha bu goro ba in bas ba jele ban gwasmo right now chi gari ko chikana lat e kana gor kano ba you to chop ke 250 billion South Sudanese pound and ba ka dil kam ke ke ba kamu de me malaran foreign minister ne me ejeri podana gor de nyo konkel mi jiram didit gwas me ka Changfied YouTube channel ku subscribe ku notification bell ko to an komite mi bare gwas bi chamala shubare kiji gata gama